Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a super cute stationery goods item that's available in Japan right now. If you are a craft person, then you probably are familiar with this MT brand of masking tape, and they have beautiful different varieties, so many different colors, width, sizes, just a huge variety that changes all the time. And one of the latest changes is that they have done a collaboration with Sanrio, and they have some of the characters that you might be familiar with in different kinds of situations here with different color backgrounds. I can show you guys on a piece of paper here so you can get a little better idea of what it looks like. There's this one here that has little twin stars on it, which I think is adorable. And it's got this nice background of like a nice black tape. And then the characters have a little bit of see-throughness there. And in this case, because I'm using the white paper, then like their clothes and stuff is actually white. But if it were on a colored paper, that part would be a little see-through. So, but it's really, really adorable, especially on white, and just them kind of in the sky there with all the little different constellations. That's a complete set of all the designs that are available in it there. If you see those kind of all lined up. And I just thought that was super, super cute. And then the Hello Kitty one is a nice kind of combination of sort of like different versions of masking tape sort of laying over each other. It's kind of cool the way they did this. And then you've got little Hello Kitty sort of peeking around from different edges. And sometimes just her face, sometimes she's hiding behind sort of some upside down. I like this one where it's just here inside the little circle. That's adorable. So it's just a really cute kind of, you know, not so easy to notice from the beginning kind of style. And like I said, they do have other ones that are available. This one is similar to the other one too. The area that you see here that's white, except for her face, is the color of the paper behind. So even if you still use her on other colors, her face will remain white, while the line color behind the gold and silver and the polka dots would change. So super adorable style for sure. These masking tapes do run a little more on the expensive side. One roll of this is, you know, 200-300 yen usually, but you do get a lot, so that's something to kind of remember when you do buy stuff. You know, they do have a huge collection of masking tapes at Daiso, but they're different in the sense that there's not as much. So, and the quality is really cool from this particular brand. So if you are looking to get some craft materials and you're visiting Japan and you want to, you know, get something that you wouldn't be able to maybe get someplace else, then I would definitely recommend them. And even just any of their other designs are really cute. So definitely check them out. And I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.